What's up, everybody? Haugen and Dowgen here. Today we're out here in Weeki Wachee at our grandparents' Weeki Wachee house, and today we're going to go catch a good mess of scallops. So they're kind of hard to find right now because of all the rain. The water's been really murky, but who knows? Maybe we can get them. Maybe even our limit. So y'all got to.
Gonna put the world away for a minute, pretend I don't live in it. Sunshine gonna wash my blues away. Had sweet love, but I lost it. She got too close, so I fought it. Now I'm lost in the world, trying to find me a better way. Wishing I was knee deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze and it don't seem fair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise.
Wrote a note, said be back in a minute. Bought a boat and I sailed off in it. Don't think anybody's gonna miss me anyway. Mind on a permanent vacation. The ocean is my only medication. Wishing my condition ain't ever gonna go away.
Cause now I'm knee deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. This champagne shore washing over me.
It's a sweet, sweet life, living by the salty sea.
One day you could be as lost as me.
Change your geography, maybe you might be.
Here's our first bag. We're gonna keep trying a little bit, try to get a little bit more. So you gotta stay tuned. All right, everybody. So we just caught a good mess of scallops, and we limited out. So we're heading back in, and we'll show you how to clean them. All right, now. So we just got back to the house, and here we go, cleaning up our scallops. So this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna get yourself a sharp knife, and you're gonna get yourself a spoon. And so you're just basically gonna stick it in there and pry it open, just a little bit, so you can hold it open with your finger. Dark side of the scallop is gonna be down. Then you're gonna get your spoon and press real hard up against the bottom. Make sure you know where your meat is, so you just get it out, just like that. And you're just gonna open it up, just like that. Put that in there. And now you're just going to basically just trim it up. Just like this. Just trim it up. Pull it all out. Guts. And here you go. You're left with this. You're just gonna pull it out, just like that. There you go. And we're back, and we're not in the kitchen, we are on the front porch. So here we go. This is our harvest from the day. Pretty good, struck out pretty good. So this is just some egg and some milk mixture. So we're just putting that on to help the flour stick a little bit. So
and it don't seem fair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair.
What we got, and we're only going to cook a little bit so far because this is our pan and you just want it to get raw. So we're just going to kind of stir these around a little bit. And now we're just going to put them in our flour. We have a little bit of fish fry and some just all-purpose flour mixture.
Wrote a note, said be back in a minute. Bought a boat and I sailed off in it. Don't think anybody's gonna miss me anyway.
We're just gonna put a little bit more of our Everglades in here. We already put a little bit, but a little bit's not enough with this stuff. We're just gonna kind of so we're just gonna kind of mixture it in here. Mix them up. Get them nice, and we need every one of them to be fully, have all a bunch of flour on them so that they get cooked. So we don't have that much flour. We're only gonna use all fish fry, so if that is available, I'd probably do that, but we kind of ran out, so we're gonna use a little bit of all fish flour. So, and here we go. We're gonna have our little contraption here. And we have our heat at 400 degrees. And here we go.
Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. Come on in, the water's nice. Find yourself a little slice. Grab a backpack and lunch. You never know until you try.
Just like that. We're gonna do the rest of it a little bit. Here we go. If it ain't cast iron, it ain't cooking. There you go. Just gonna shake it up a little bit. These things do not cook for very long at all. I'd say 35 to 45 seconds at the most. So. That's a great sound, isn't it? Add chicken.
Gonna put the world away for a minute, pretend I don't live in it. The sunshine gonna wash my blues away.
Look how good those look. I wish y'all could smell what I'm smelling right now. It's one of the best. A little bit more. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let them drip a little bit, just to kind of get that off of them. Let them drip for a second. And it's gonna be good. Just gonna kind of let them drip a little bit more. Clean off the surface a little bit. Here we go. You're just gonna kind of close a little bit of that now. Here we go. Here it is. Woo! Fresh out of the grease. There we go. There it is. That is good smelling right there. And we're gonna taste it in a minute. So see that?
Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise.
So we got Dad, we got Grandpa, and we're going to put a little bit of fine tuning on these things. Gonna get a little bit more cherry butter. Alright?
Alright.
So now,
Taste.
y'all taste them. We got some good.
See what we got. See what you did.
Fresh bay scallops right out
Good stuff,
of
Brooker.
Wachee,
That's
Florida.
good stuff, buddy. I might have one more. Did a good job. That's nice.
Heard it here.
Man, you're the man.
Can't make this stuff up, guys. Alright, that's it for this
Good
video.
job.
See you next time. How
Never felt so high, and I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise.